start with the base. Crush the biscuits into a fine powder and mix in melted butter. Now press this into tart molds. Shape evenly and freeze for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, prepare the custard. Heat milk, sugar and vanilla extract until it comes to a boil. Now add the custard slurry and stir continuously until it thickens and set it aside. For the rainbow cream, whip the cream to stiff peaks. Take a few spoons, mix in different fruit colors and transfer them into piping bags. Now place all of them into one large piping bag with a star nozzle and refrigerate. Pour the custard into the tart base and chill again for 15 minutes. Once set, pipe the rainbow cream on top and your vibrant tart is ready to serve. Now let's make classic egg tarts. For this, dissolve salt and powdered sugar in water and set aside. In a bowl, rub cold butter into flour until it forms a crumbly texture. Now add the sugar water mixture and knead into a dough. Roll it out, spread butter, fold and chill for an hour. Repeat the process. Roll, add butter, roll again and chill for another 30 minutes. Now for the filling, whisk egg yolks with powdered sugar and corn flour. Heat milk, cream and vanilla until just about to boil. Now pour this into the egg mixture, mix well and strain for a smooth custard. Now press the dough into grease molds to form tart shells and fill with the custard. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 35 minutes until perfectly set. Crisp, flaky and creamy, your egg tarts are ready. Now finally, the chocolate tart. Lightly cream butter and sugar and be careful not to overmix. Now add flour, cocoa powder and salt and mix into a crumbly dough. Gradually add milk to bring it together. Now wrap and chill the dough for at least 30 minutes. For the filling, heat milk, cream, egg yolks and sugar until it just begins to simmer. Pour this over chopped chocolate and mix until smooth and glossy. Now roll out the dough, line your tart mold and fill with the chocolate mixture. Refrigerate for up to 3 hours until set. Now finish with fresh cream or chocolate garnish and your rich chocolate tart is ready. And that's it, 3 beautiful tarts, each with its own personality. Which one would you try first? Do let us know in the comments, and for more such easy recipes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Times Foodie.